This is Sunday the 1st of March 2026 when the Arsenal Stud Kildare Tanya we're at the front board in Kildare of the Arsenal Stud.
That isn't China. It's got a funny marking. It's just a funny marking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Should we start from the hub?
Yeah.
Come on now, you're going to get another hug from me. It's the colour of the raining, is it?
It's a piece of.
You keep wiping the lens there. I think I see some drops in my glasses.
Yeah.
You keep wiping the lens. I don't want the drops in the film. Leave.
Yeah, just
Leave. Just keep wiping the lens. I can see some drops in my eyes. On my glasses.
You alright?
What's her name?
Can't read it. This is the thing on the other side, yeah.
Can't see it.
I can't see her name.
She on the phone. She on the phone. Yeah, yeah. Bay Philly boy, isn't it?
It's not somebody over here.
Abduja.
There's the horse to put her name
Unusual,
down.
isn't it?
Oh, there's a horse in the open stable. Don't see that.
Okay, pause video.